For this video, we are going to talk about sworn declaration of gross remittances or Annex A. Sino ba ang mga need magpasa, saan, at paano mag-comply? This is Jess, your Girl CPA Online Seller Companion. I will be with you along with the changes in the online selling platform. Hit the subscribe button for notifications on new videos and follow me on my social media accounts for tax updates so you don't miss anything out. Kapag sinabi nating sworn declaration, ito ay isang dokumento ng panunumpa na ang nakasaad dito ay tama, made in good faith, and to the best of the knowledge ng nagpasa o pumirma. At may iba't ibang klase nito. Kaya kapag ikaw ay nagtatanong tungkol sa submission ng sworn declaration, ay kailangan mong kumpletuhin kung anong tinutukoy mo at applicable sa'yo. Ang karaniwang sworn declaration sa BIR ay ang sworn declaration for inventory list, sworn declaration for self-employed or professionals, sworn declaration of gross remittances para sa mga online sellers. And if hindi ka online seller, then this video is not for you. We have separate video for other sworn declarations at ang i-discuss natin dito sa video na ito ay ang sworn declaration of gross remittances for online sellers. Going back kung saan nagsimula ang submission ng sworn declaration na ito ay mula sa Revenue Regulation 16-2023 about imposition of withholding taxes of gross remittances to online sellers. Nakasaad dito na magkakaroon ng 1% creditable withholding tax of 50% of gross remittances or basically 0.5% of gross remittances sa bawat orders ng mga online sellers kung sila ay nag-exceed ng 500,000 for the past year or mag-exceed pa lang for this year. Nakasaad din dito na ang mga exempted sa withholding tax ay kabilang ang mga hindi pa nag-exceed sa 500,000 gross remittances at mga sellers na exempt from or subject to a lower income tax rate such as BMBE. Clarifying the provisions of Revenue Regulation 16-2023, stating the submission of sworn declaration duly received by the BIR and in the form of prescribed in Annex A. So the BIR already gave a format to use in this submission which is itong Annex A that can be downloadable in the BIR website or you can PM me or you can join in our Facebook groups to download the file. In case of failure to submit the prescribed sworn declaration, regardless of the actual total income of gross remittances, the withholding tax shall automatically be deducted. So it was clarified na hindi basta-basta may exempt sa withholding tax kahit na below 500,000 ka. If hindi ka nag-submit ng sworn declaration on the prescribed period, then kahit below 500,000 ka ay makakaltasan ka pa rin ng withholding tax. Emphasizing as well those exempt taxpayers, for you to be able to be exempt, of course, you also need to submit proof of exemption, such as BMBE certificate kung ikaw ay BMBE or any other exemption certificates applicable. By the way, if everything is new to you, we have a previous video regarding Revenue Regulation 16-2023 and withholding taxes for online sellers that was uploaded before. And a part of it is about different tax types that you might want to understand para alam mo ang best tax type na applicable sa'yo. If you also want to learn how to comply by yourself, we have available recording tutorials and trainings for you. Where to submit sworn declaration? Of course, kay withholding agent or ang mga binigyan ng responsibilidad na mangaltas. The question is, required bang mag-submit nito? There is no penalty mentioned in failure to submit sworn declaration. The only consequence stated is that kapag hindi ka nag-submit at ikaw ay 500,000 below gross remittances, ay makakaltasan ka pa rin. So for those above 500,000, whether mag-submit ka or hindi, ay makakaltasan ka pa rin naman. So it will solely be your option if you will submit the said sworn declaration. Ang purpose kasi ng pag-submit sa withholding agent ay para malaman niya kung kakaltasan ka ba niya or hindi. Kaya kung hindi ka nagpasa ng kung anong dokumento, then automatically kang makakaltasan. Take note that it is also okay to be deducted withholding tax dahil hindi naman ito expense, kundi isang advance payment na pwede nating gamitin para pangbawas sa ating income tax payable. Ang tinutukoy na electronic marketplace operators are none other than Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. And if you notice the withholding tax na additional deduction dun sa income statement mo, then this is what we are talking about. Kung gusto mong mawala yan and you are still below 500,000, then you will have to submit this sworn declaration. To expand the circular, it was mentioned there additional words na duly received by the BIR. The sworn declaration was again described as BIR received SD. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang basta-basta isasubmit sa platforms, kundi kailangan mo muna itong ipareceive sa BIR bago mo isubmit sa platform. When to submit the sworn declaration? This should be on or before 20th day of the first month of each taxable year, or basically before January 20. Dahil for the new year, kailangan malaman ng withholding agent kung kakaltasan ka ba niya ngayong bagong taon or hindi. Again, kung hindi ka man makapagpasa, i-assume niya na you should be deducted withholding tax. For submission, our first step is to download the prescribed format, Annex A. You can join our Facebook group, Online Seller Serie, under Files tab. Makikita mo yung Annex A sa baba and you can download it. Next is to fill out necessary details. So, hindi naman kailangan computerized. Pwede rin naman handwritten yung pagsagot. This portion is important. This is the declaration of your gross remittances. Kung nag-exceed ka ba or hindi. Or kung feeling mo mag-exceed ka ngayong taon. Print 3 to 4 copies just to make sure. Mas maganda ng sobrang copies kaysa kulang. Sign and have it notarized. There is also a portion where you can paste a documentary stamp tax na mabibili din sa BIR. Then have it stamped received sa BIR. They will keep their copy and also keep yours. Scan and upload to online platforms. So for Shopee, punta kayo dun sa shop and then shop information and then business information. Tapos, click edit. Then click submit new sworn declaration. Then select nyo kung nag-exceed ba kayo or hindi. Depende dun sa kung ano yung nasa sworn declaration ninyo. As for me, not exceed. And then upload in PDF, JPEG, or PNG. So, confirm. And then, na-change yung 2024 kanina. And then, save. For TikTok, click tax. And then, tax exemption certificates. Then, sworn declaration. Then, depende kung ano yung sinasubmit mong document. It's either tax exemption documents, if you are BMB, or sworn declaration. So, sa atin, sworn declaration. So, start. Then, less 500,000. Upload file. So, must be in PDF format. Submit. Then, lilitaw na submitted for 2025. For Lazada, go to settings. Then, business information. Then, do you estimate that your gross remittance will not exceed 500? Yes. And then, upload. So, napalitan din yung previous. Check the progress. Ano to? Submit. I got it. So, that's it. Again, you can contact us on the following pages and groups. And if you have comments and suggestions, then you can leave a comment below. So we also do have bookkeeping tutorials and bookkeeping templates for different kinds of services kung ano yung magiging applicable sa iyo.
I hope I've given you the answer that you need. This is your girl CPA here to help small businesses grow. Peace.